Greetings! Today I am chilling in my garage, quite literally. And what I'm doing down here is I'm about to open up a package that I have been sent by Turtle Wax, who are the largest car detailing product company in the world, which is pretty cool. They've sent me this package with their new 2020 range and they want me to check it out. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this is the box that they have sent. So let's get a little knife, cut it open. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna need to get this out. So I carefully put it on its other side, so now I should just be able to lift this cardboard right off and reveal the contents. Ooh. Ho ho. Well, look at that. Big box. So, got the cool Turtle Wax logo, hybrid solutions, introducing game-changing technology. Cool. So this looks like another sleeve that will come off, I think. Yep. If I had two hands, let's go. There we are. Oh, now that's cool. So check it out. They've styled this box to look like a set of drawers that you would find in your workshop. How cool is that? Really cool packaging. So let's see. It is all individual boxes though. So we'll open up. First one. What do we have here? So this looks like a big sort of information thing. / poster. Alright, so this poster looks like it's going to detail to us, hey, all the different products that we're going to be looking at. So you'll notice ceramic polish and wax, ceramic wash and wax, ceramic spray coating, ceramic 3-in-1 detailer, and ceramic wet wax. You'll notice that all of these things say the word ceramic in here. If you've saw any of my detailing stuff before, you'll probably know that I quite enjoy some good ceramic products. So this new range from Turtle Wax is just gonna complement that so well. So I'll set this cool actually flip it over. What have we got here? Lots and lots of info. Oh, so that's cool. It's like a chart where you can see what you're trying to achieve and what each product can do for you. And then some information on the other bit. So check this side out about their new ceramic technology, extreme water beading, protection and shine. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions line is designed by and for the industry's most discerning detailers, yet this cleverly crafted professional grade suite of products is the most approachable on the market from an ease of use and price perspective. With the perfect blend of the latest technologies in car care, teamed with Turtle Wax's decades of experience, Hybrid Solutions is guaranteed to deliver unmatched results. Torture test them, we dare you. Not only will cars treated with Hybrid Solutions have a high gloss shine and durable protection for today's finishes, but they'll be ready to hit the road for any unexpected adventure. Turtle Wax, dedicated to the drive. So that is pretty darn cool. So let's go back over to our unboxing of this really, I gotta say, such a cool setup. So first thing is the ceramic spray coating. So let's have a wee look-see. So yeah, it's in a cool spray bottle and you can see you've got really good directions here, and then you've got some, just these like little bites of information so you can see exactly what's going on at a quick glance. Really cool packaging, very modern. It matches this whole setup, which is awesome. Lots more product details. So, keeps your vehicle cleaner longer, shine, easy on off, ultimate versatility, signature scent. Use Hybrid Solutions Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer and Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax to maintain shine and protection. So this is one product, and then it's telling us what we need to do with the other products, which is pretty handy to know. So we'll just move this one out of the way and move on to the next one. Open that one up. Alright, so this is the ceramic polish and wax. So all-in-one formula, ceramic infused, synthetic wax polymers, less is more. Application tells you exactly what to do. Use Hybrid Solutions Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer and Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax to maintain and shine protection. Again, got all this information. It tells you exactly what's going on, like with this really easy to understand dot system. And yeah, let's grab that out. Obviously, again, it's the same style of packaging. You get lots and lots of information. So talking about hand application and machine application, and then those little bites of information again up the side. Very, very handy, very, very cool, very, very sleek. So, move on to the next one. I am loving this packaging, it's so, so cool. Alright. So this is our 3-in-1 detailer. So, let's see what it say. Rejuvenate, shine, protection. Better than your standard detailer. Protection that lasts. Luxurious and convenient cleaning. Scratch-free clean. Used to clean, shine, and add protection between car washing of Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating, Hybrid Solutions ceramic polish and wax, or other previously applied waxes or coatings. This is going to be, probably for me, one of the most useful ones. Certainly on my RS, I would say. And I'm going to be using this stuff on more than just my RS. And there's, wow, there's so much in this. Is such a big bottle. That is really, really awesome. Made in the USA. Again, your little information bites and all your instructions on what to do. Man, that is going to last for a long time. It's kind of heavy. There's so much in there. That's really, really cool. This one's going to be right at the top of my detailing box for a long time to come. Move on to the next one. Okay, this is our ceramic wet wax. One-step application, ceramic infused, synthetic wax polymers, less is more, signature scent, compatibility. Use Hybrid Solutions 3-in-1 detailer and Hybrid Solutions ceramic wash and wax to maintain shine and protection. So this stuff is pretty cool because this is the stuff that you would apply wet after you've washed the car, then just dry it off. You'll get like instant hydrophobic properties, and it's like just so convenient. I've used a few different products like this in the past, and it's one of my favorites. I was using a bunch of it today actually, in fact, and I just happened to finish the bottle, so I need a new bottle. So I can't say enough about how handy a product such as this is. It's so handy. It's so great. One step. So, you know, it's so handy if you don't have a lot of time, or if you just really want to top up your protection real quick. It is the ultimate. It's the ultimate product, and that's about it. That's all I can really say. So we'll move on to the next one. Woo. So the last one in the pack, ceramic wash and wax. Wash, shine, and protect and last time. Enhanced ceramic protection, super concentrated, buildable coverage, so you can re-wash, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. This is a super duper cool idea for a product. I haven't seen anything like this before. It's really cool. So buildable coverage, brighten trim, signature scent. Use 1 fluid ounce to pre-clean vehicle prior to applying waxes and coatings. Can be layered with Hybrid Solutions spray coating, Hybrid Solutions ceramic polish and wax, or other previously applied waxes and coatings. Not recommended for use in foam sprayer, so don't try and use it as a snow foam. So yeah, this is one of the ones I'm like super duper excited about. This is a very innovative product, and it's bulky. There's lots in here, so this is going to last for quite a long time. For my RS, which we have some ceramic coating on, this is going to be super duper awesome. It's so handy as well, because washing your car every so often, and just without doing anything else beyond that, you can top up your protection with just this product, and that is going to be so handy. It's going to be so awesome. I cannot wait to give this a go. So yeah, there we go. That is the brand new Hybrid Solutions range for 2020 from Turtle Wax. It's kind of taking my breath away. I mean, like, there's so much stuff in here. It's like a little ecosystem that they all just work together for all scenarios, all needs. And yeah, I can't wait to get started on using them. I'm not going to do it right now because you might be able to see outside. It's nighttime, and it's also mad cold. But perhaps tomorrow. So yeah, there it is. That's the 2020 range from Turtle Wax. I think it looks absolutely awesome, and like I said, I can't wait to get out and give them a go and start using them and see how awesome they really are. I'm gonna do some YouTube stuff, I'm gonna do some Instagram stuff, so make sure you're following me here on YouTube, and also jump over to my Instagram and give me a follow there. I'll put a link down below. Then you can keep up to date with all the stuff we do with this. So yeah, a big thank you to Turtle Wax for sending this stuff out. A big thank you to you for watching this video. I hope you're looking forward to seeing how this stuff performs. I know I am. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content to come very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.